So being mindful of impermanence is very important. I'm not suggesting that we all have to give up everything and then stop enjoying. I'm not saying that. Sure, we have some good times, yes, that's okay. But when you are sort of going through, the ups and downs of life, when you're going through an up period or you are sort of really enjoying, you're in much enjoyment, then it would be a good thing to, I think, at least recognize that this moment will not be there forever, that this beautiful object that you have come into contact with, it won't exist forever. It will change, it will change.